Welcome back. So in this video we unbox the ring light and then show you what every part is and what it's used for. So it comes with a box like this. Then we just going to open it. It's going to open it. Like when you open it, the first thing that you'll see is the ground tripod, which we're going to set it up in the next video. Like opening it up till it I think it has a like maybe 66 inches from the ground till where you are. Then there's a manual, English manual, which you can read on how to set up and what each part is. Then there's the desktop tripod, which these you place on your desk and then connect the ring light here. And then there's the phone holder. So these you connect it like in the middle of the ring light and then connect your phone. Your phone is held in between here, so gets positioned inside in the middle of the ring light. Then we have this Bluetooth controller. This you use it, just press when you want to stop a video, when you want to start a video, when you want to take a photo. You just use this instead of like touching the phone. Then we have it's called a ball ring. So this ball ring, you connect it on top of the tripod like this. This is how you connect it on top of the desktop tripod. So it enables the ring light to bend. Say supposing you want it to bend at an angle. Supposing you want it to be straight, like 90 degrees, depending on your use case. Then now we have the ring light itself. So I think it's put in a separate box, and it has some padding because this is glass and it can break. It's a bit fragile. Yeah. Then it has a USB connector. So this USB connector, you can connect it to your laptop. You can connect it to anything that is that has USB power. Your charger, your USB charger, the one you use to charge your phone. Pretty much anything that has a USB connector. Here it has this connector, this controller. So this controller is for changing whether you want the warmth, whether you want the bright light, whether you want to increase or reduce the brightness levels. Yeah, and it's quite long. Like, let me unwind it. Yeah, as you can see, quite long. So meaning your ring light can be far, and then you can control it from quite a distance. That's all for the unboxing, and then in the next video we set up the ground tripod. Thank you for watching.